Kyra from KyraWilliamsFitness.com, and today we are doing double press. So let's talk about the things that are going on here. Basically, we are doing a burpee into bringing the dumbbells up all the way and locking out overhead. So there's different ways that we can modify this to make it work for you. You want to begin standing. You're going to jump back into your burpee, bring your chest all the way down. From here, you can come up onto your knees and then step up, or you can jump all the way up. Before you come up, I want you to make sure that your feet are below your hips and your chest is upright. So as you come up, you can bring those dumbbells overhead, all the way back down to the ground, making sure that you bend your knees. You're not just lowering down with your upper body, you're coming down with your knees as well. Jumping back into that burpee, chest all the way down, step up, then chest upright. Dumbbells lock out all the way overhead. When we are locked out overhead, we want our biceps by our ears, not out front, by the ears. Core engaged, glutes engaged, everything nice and engaged. So for more excellent total body and cardio exercises like this, sign up for online training at KyraWilliamsFitness.com.